Okay. If you've never seen my face before, my name is Safiyah. Welcome to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 4.
It's time!
I just finished getting ready because this morning we are going to the gym. Here is the little gym fit. We have on these Puma leggings. I've on a Puma tank top under, but it's kind of just to compress the girls, and I'm probably not gonna take this hoodie off. But I'm going to the gym with my little sister, so I'm about to go see if she's ready. Today is a little bit of an exciting day because we are finally putting up our Christmas tree. As you can see, my room, I already decorated my room. I have my own little Christmas tree. My bed is decorated. If you didn't watch Vlogmas Day 2 where I decorated my room, you should definitely go watch that. But the tree, we gotta go do the tree downstairs for the whole house. So that is what we're doing today. And we're also gonna make a quick stop at Walmart as well to pick up some things for breakfast. So let's head out. Guys, I'm scared. My little sister's about to drive. Can you see in all your mirrors? You can see in that one. Do you need to adjust it?
No. I know those cars are far, but like, I feel like I should let them go first.
Oh. And you can start indicating. Okay, stop sign.
I see it.
Making sure. Okay. A little hard of a break. Go ahead. Did you look both ways and everything?
Yeah. Or no, I didn't, but
Wow.
Sorry.
I did. Okay.
sorry. I forgot.
You can press a little more. Okay, yeah, start to slow down. And you make sure no one's coming out the roundabout. No, okay, go ahead. There's a lady. You don't need to indicate at the roundabout,
Oh,
but
sorry.
we're not turning.
Good, sir.
Turn more. Then why is your arms broken on the wheel? Like you can let go of the wheel.
Sorry.
She's like trying to turn the wheel. Okay, gas.
There's a car. I'm scared. Wait.
Okay, but get away from the side of the road. You're about to hit the parked cars.
Sorry.
Okay, accelerate a bit. You can go up to 40, even though right now it's a 50. You can go up to 40,
Okay.
and then now you can start moving to the brake because there's another stop sign.
Yeah.
Okay, speed limit's 50. You're doing a lot.
Sorry.
There's a pedestrian and a dog. Slow down a bit. You're still doing a lot. Speed limit's 50.
I was at 55.
Yeah, that's too much for someone that doesn't want to drive, okay?
Oh.
Thanks. Indicate so that they know where you're going. Slow down. You're not slowing down.
I am slow.
Not enough for you to be making a turn. And now there's a bunch of cars on the road, and now I'm scared, so you could just crawl the rest of the way.
So I'll pull over right there.
Okay. You're getting close to this car. Okay. Don't hit the curb. Start turning back now. Turning back now. Thank you.
Yes, the wheel just not turning. So.
The wheel's not turning, or you're not turning it?
I was turning it slightly. I didn't
Yeah,
know
you
how
need to turn it more.
Okay.
Scared. Okay guys, we're finally able to put up our little Christmas tree. Usually we were putting the tree right there beside the TV. This time we're gonna try to put it right here, just in the center, because we used to have that computer table right here, but we moved it over there. So now we're gonna fill the space with the tree. Okay, we've had to bring out the lights because it's getting dark in here. The tree is put up. It's kind of crooked. I need to fix the skirt, but now we're gonna move on to decorating. The theme for the tree, or like the ornaments, is like blue and silver. So here's the tree, and let's decorate it. Girl. Okay guys, so we are finished with the Christmas tree. That took actual hours. Maybe because we took a long break in the middle because we got discouraged because the tree was leaning. But it's finally finished. It turned out real cute. It looks pretty good. So that is it for the tree, and that is also it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok to get triple the content from me. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with Vlogmas Day 5. Bye.